Well, we did it. 100,000. I never imagined when we started this YouTube channel to be any more than just some fun conversations of car guys, but here we are. I want to take a minute to just thank JB Donaldson, all the Zephyr build series, of course a lot more, but what a big series that we learned so much about building cars and restoring cars. Thank you, Alan Travis, for showing us how cars were invented with all your cars that were made during that first era of the automobile. And you've shown us so much enthusiasm and taught us a lot. Thank you, Steve Coppock, for all your expertise on Ford Flatheads and the blowers going with it and all the different scenarios of building and dynos and everything. Thank you, Steve. And of course, Ed. I'm at Ed's place right now, getting ready to do another interview with him. We've already got 56 interviews and counting. And I enjoy those every time. Thank you for all the questions. You know, we've had a lot of fun together. And now is the time to let you know we're going to have even more coming. So not just more of what we've already done, but there's going to be more about BarryTsGarage. So thank you all, and we will see you again soon on the next one.